Hey y'all, Heather here with Fallen Into Camping, and let's do a little before and after of this 2001 Jamco horse trailer with living quarters. So this trailer started out really dark and really brown. Thankfully, there was no water damage in it, but it pretty much just needed a good fresh update. As you can see, the shower is kind of really yellow and yucky, so we definitely needed to give that an update. Now here's some footage of what it looks like once I actually start tearing into the trailer in case anybody's curious. I basically take off all the electrical, all the old lights, all the cabinet doors. I take all the countertops off, pretty much take everything out to make it a blank slate. I took the steps out right there, took the couch off. There was actually a nasty water tank right there. I took that out so I can clean it and replace all those hoses. All of the shower came out. I actually left this liner because I'm going to reuse it. And it actually worked in my favor that it was there anyway. So now that you know what it looks like before, let's go ahead and take a peek to see what it looks like now. Ta-da! Now my client for this trailer was actually really awesome because she pretty much told me I could do whatever I wanted to do as long as I hit the main things on her checklist. My client wanted it bright and she wanted it modern, and I think I delivered on that. Now for this trailer, I did install real tile. I have a video on my YouTube channel on how to do that, so if you're interested, check that out. My client picked out this really pretty shade of blue. It's called Compass Blue by Bear. Went ahead and added new countertops. And of course, you got to have that sink cover to give you a little bit of extra space on your countertop. The sink is actually really deep, and then paired with the faucet, it makes just the perfect match for this trailer. Now, the next cool thing is this couch right here. This was actually a custom build just because of the size. I'll go more into detail on that couch in just a second, but I also did install a new radio. This is Bluetooth, so it'll hook up to your phone, and there's also new speakers to go along with it. I went ahead and built more shelving inside of these cabinets for extra storage, which is really nice. This was kind of just one big area. So now there's really more storage right there in that cabinet. And then, this is my favorite part, I put a pull-out trash can in here because, who doesn't love a pull-out trash can in your trailer? Let's be honest. All right, let's get to the couch. So this was actually really cool. This is a futon from Target. I think it was like $300 or $400. But I basically built a platform, and you can check my Instagram if you want to know how I built it. But you just pull it out, and then you pull the couch top up, and it tips back, and that is pretty much it. And to put it back, you do the same thing in reverse. I left a little hole in the corner right there. You pull it up, and then you push it back. I also did install USB outlets in this couch, so that's super convenient for just hanging out and charging your phone. Here's just another shot of the gooseneck area. There's a little spot right there for you to have a TV. I also did put USB outlets up there as well. And then I did a little fancy decoration here on the door just to kind of break it up and separate the color from the white a little bit. Now, I love this bathroom so much. It is tiny, but it is actually surprisingly functional for the space. So for the shower, I installed this really cool bifold door that I found on Amazon, which is linked in my Amazon storefront. Also, these vinyl wall tiles are also linked there, but these are super cool. They're 100% waterproof, and they just make a really great addition to the shower. I will say, do get the trim kit for it because it makes a world of a difference. So the shower pan's the original. I just painted that, and new shower head, basically all new fixtures inside the shower as well. Also had to share this with you because it was too funny.
I have to really time to not lock the door.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to take videos. All right, Tucker, what do you think about the horse trailer?
Good.
What's your favorite part?
That part.
That part? This one up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the pillows?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yes.
What? Oh, you like those pillows too? Okay, I see you're a pillow lover.